Located in Northwest Ohio, Premier Concrete Admixtures has a 40,000 square foot manufacturing facility that houses state-of-the-art laboratories that help us quickly advance our research, development, and product production.
I think coming to work at Premier, it was pretty evident early on, the direction of the company, some of the innovative steps that were being taken to help move the company forward. It was exciting and pretty obvious to me that I wanted to be a part of that change.
We've empowered our people to be entrepreneurial, to look at what the customer needs and provide that to the customers. And it doesn't matter what the size is. The little guys need help, the big guys need help. The big guys may need a different kind of help, but we're well-rounded enough that we can give them whatever help they need.
The great thing about Premier is that we're not just one company. We're actually a collection of organizations that are focused on providing not only the best admixtures that we can to the industry, but also using technology in an innovative way for things such as concrete maturity. We've got a True Match system. We won back-to-back most innovative products at World of Concrete. The way we like to think about the industry is not just from an admixture standpoint, but also providing other innovative products that can strengthen the industry as a whole.
Our concrete and mortar labs offer services to our customers free of charge. We test mix designs, three-point curves, rapid chloride permeability, as well as shrinkage, rates of set, loss of ignition, hardened air petrographic examinations, water sampling, heat signatures and mass concrete design calculations, maturity and compressive and flexural strengths, among others. Premier owns and operates our own fleet of trucks and tankers, allowing us to be more responsive and accountable to our customer needs.
The ability to enter information on a job site, in a cell phone, or in a tablet, or on a computer, and have anybody in your company be able to instantaneously view those results anywhere in the world at any time, along with alerts and email notifications, whether it's technical on concrete testing or whether it's something as simple as a bill of lading for one of our drivers. That kind of technology makes life simple. It makes it easier for the customer, and it's just something else we like to offer.
I think the foundation of the company comes from its small company roots. I think it is important. On a day-to-day, we are asked to call on our customers every couple weeks to get out. We like to bring content to each of those appointments. We've got a highly advanced technical sales staff that when we're out seeing you, we want to bring value to those stops and appointments, and I think that is pressed from our upper management on down. That, again, a culture that has started with this company from day one.
Premier is a family business. It's a small business that has big business capabilities. And that is the best thing that we can offer anybody.